Good evening, everyone. So we are dealing with the 7 rules of effective communication. And in the last class, we dealt with the first 2 rules, kindness and awareness. The words of kindness are healing words and which can motivate anybody and send positive vibes. So in your words, be kind. The second rule was awareness. So be aware of what your words will mean to the person you're talking to. What effect will it have on the others? So be aware of your surroundings and be aware of your effect on others. And we must avoid language to attack or criticize. Effective communication is all about the third rule, which is positivity. Emphasize or stress on the positive aspects. Emphasize on the positivity. Masterful communication goes much, much, much deeper than getting just messages across. You have to feel what you are saying. Emphasize the positive impact on others. Highlight your words with encouraging emotions. Positive messages leave a lingering impact. Lingering impact means even when you have stopped talking, your words will spread like fragrance. Even after you're long gone, your words will be there to make the person or persons happy and at ease. A good gentleman will never hurt others, and your words should have a lingering impact, like you use a good fragrance. Even after you've left, even if you have left the place, your fragrance lingers on. Win over the listeners with positive approach. You have to win hearts. You have to be a crowd puller. You have to win hearts with your words. And great communication leaves people feeling good. Like a gentleman is like an easy chair or the fire in winter. So what happens? Great communications, good communication leaves people feeling good. They want more and more, even if you have stopped talking. Rule 4, avoid being mistaken. So the third rule was being positive, creating a positive atmosphere. And the fourth rule is avoid being mistaken. Do not think whatever you've said, the persons or the persons have understood 100%. When talking, don't assume that you have been understood, that you have been understood 100%. There can be some doubts or clear. So avoid being mistaken. Any kind of excuse me, any kind of relationship is littered or lost or broken with misunderstood communication. So avoid being misunderstood, avoid being avoid assuming that you have been understood 100%. A word gone awry, it means a word which is lost, a word which is not understood, lost, or off being. It means it goes over your head. Something you said, the people, they did not understand. So a word gone awry or the word got lost or missed out adds up to distort our messages. It means you cannot be clear, you cannot be understood if your word is lost somewhere. First, seek to be understood. First, be sure that yes, whatever you have said is being understood, has been understood 100%. Then you seek to understand, yes, what really it means, what is the feedback. So always ask for feedback, whether you have been understood or not. So a wrong word, even a good word, if it is not understood, it goes useless. Gone or is a phrase, which means lost. Or off beam, it means something which was not understood. It went over your head. Or missed out, words which are missed out. You did not hear or you did not understand. It all adds up to distort the message. It means the message, like glasses, breaks up and you have difficulty finding it out. So, first seek to be understood. First seek to be understood. Take the feedback. Ask whether you have been understood or not, and then try to understand. So, all this will add up to effective communication. So, the second rule was spreading a positive vibe, and the third about avoiding being mistaken or misunderstood. We'll deal with rule 5 and 6 and 7 in the next class. So the 7 rules of effective communication. If you get it right, no doubt, undoubtedly, you'll go far. That's it. That's all for today. And a good word. Good words are like diamonds. Yes, silence is golden. But good words are like diamonds, which will shine long for a long, long time, like fragrance lingers on. That's it for today. That's